Hello students, welcome to our channel Lakshmi Kavya Law Tutorials. Today we are going to discussing about these are the short essay questions students. But I am giving in one video two short essay questions. First one, Lokpal and Lokayukta. Both are in the same concept. That's why I am making only single video. Okay. So prior to discussing about today's video, subscribe to our channel and like this video and share this video to your friends. Let us start this video. So, Lokpal and Lokayukta. This mechanism is anti-corruption agency at state level and central level. Lokpal and Lokayukta relating to anti-corruption agencies at state level and central level. Okay. So, Lokpal is at central level, Lokayukta is at state level. Okay. This concept is inspired by the concept of ombudsman from Canadian countries. Okay. So, for the first time in our country, this concept proposed by L.M. Scindian in the year of 1963. Okay, in the year of 1963. So, Lokpal investigates, Lokpal or Lokayukta investigates all the corrupted administrative offices and prohibited the corruption and protected administrative authorities or administrative agencies from this corruption. Okay, so the structure is same for the Lokpal and Lokayukta. Applicability was different. So Lokpal is at central level and Lokayukta is at the state level. Okay, so Lokpal structure is same. So both structure. First for structure, it was headed by chairman. Okay, who was former Chief Justice of Supreme Court or High Court. High Court means for the Lokayukta and who are former magistrate, works as former magistrates. They are appointed as the chairman of Lokpal or Lokayukta. And next members. It consists 8 members. Okay, 8 members. 50% members are from the judiciary, that means former magistrates or working magistrates, etc. And remaining 4 belongs to SC, ST and OBC and women reserved candidates. Okay, SC, ST, OBC and women reserved candidates. So, this is the structure of Lokpal or Lokayukta. This system applicable in our country after 2013 when Parliament enacted an act in the name of Lokpal Lokayukta Act 2013. Okay, so it was implemented in our country. The main power and function of Lokpal and Lokayukta is to prohibit the corruption in our administrative bodies. Whether they make any corruption, the Lokpal at central level and Lokayukta at state level can take the restrictions relating to this corruption, as well as it provided the punishment to this type of corruption. Okay, so this is only for the short essay students. Lokpal different short question and Lokayukta different short essay question. So now look at the screen and I am give the detailed notes relating to Lokpal and Lokayukta. So this is all of about the Lokpal and Lokayukta notes, students. So this is all for today's lecture, and if you like my lecture, give a like and share and subscribe to our channel. So this is Lakshmi Kavya Gokaraju. Stay tuned to our channel.